Hey guys, welcome to Cooking with Priscilla. I'm Priscilla. If you're new, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and hit that bell notification for my next video. And guys, as you can see, we are making chicken and broccoli today. I have my chicken right here. I have my jasmine rice from Dollar Tree. Yes, this rice is very, very good. And yes, I am using beef and broccoli, but you can use it for chicken as well. Season, I'm using Badia Complete, salt, pepper, adobo, and as well as corn oil. Today we are switching it up, guys, and we are using corn oil. And then I have some bird's eye broccoli right here. So this is something that you can use for your pepper pantry meal. Guys, we also have some chopped up onions. You can use the dehydrated onions, or you can also use the jarred garlic. That is just as good. So guys, this is quick and simple. We have like maybe 6 ingredients here, and this will make a really quick, nice dinner for your family, guys. Let's go. Alright, so first we're going to season our meat. So we're going to put some salt in there. Put a nice amount of salt, not too much, but we want some flavor in there, okay guys? And then we have some adobo right here, guys. Adobo, let me open this. Okay, so let's add our adobo in there. This is what the Badia adobo looks like. This is all I could find in my area. So we're going to put, Christian said shalom, guys. And then we're going to add some Badia Complete in there. Of course, I'm going to use a lot because I love Badia Complete. It has onion powder, garlic powder, herbs in there, and a whole bunch of stuff. And then we're going to add some pepper, guys. And that is easy. 4 simple ingredients to season your meat. And then as well as the beef and broccoli right here. The Sunbird from Walmart. It will definitely give it some flavor. And with this package, you have to add, let me show you guys. You have to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, as well as 1/2 cup of water and oil in the seasoning. So it has seasoning in there already, but you want to give it that little extra, you know, flair. And we're also making some jasmine rice with this, and we're gonna call it a day, and maybe like a roll or something. So let's mix this up. So I added my corn oil in here, and now I'm waiting for it to get, you know, a nice temperature. It's almost there. I'm gonna add my cut up garlic in there, as well as my onions. Alright, so let's add our onions in there, as well as our garlic. Oh, that smells good. Doesn't mean to drop that water in there, but it is what it is, y'all. Mix this up, let it get translucent. Then we're gonna add our chicken in there. So this is what my meat look like, all seasoned up and all mixed up. So now what I'm gonna do, since the onions is like almost ready, I'm gonna throw the meat in there. Alright, here goes the meat. So smells good already, y'all. Smells good already. So let's spread that throughout the pan evenly. And looks like that bad boy cooked. And when it's like done, then you add your Sunbird beef and broccoli seasoning in there. I'm going to get started on my rice right now as well. And it's at a medium heat. Okay guys, so it's halfway cooked, and this is what it looks like. Guys, when I say it smells amazing, it really does. And this is a fast meal. It takes like 30 minutes. Really, really fast. So now I'm going to add my broccoli into it. And yes, it is frozen. So the meat is almost done. So everything will cook together. Yeah, I'm excited. I cannot wait to try this. So this is what the beef and broccoli is looking like. Guys, it looks amazing. And this is the sauce that I'm about to put in there. Guys, I put 3/4 water, some oil in there, and I think 2 tablespoons of soy sauce in there. So now we're just gonna add this in there, and it's gonna smell amazing. And I think it's supposed to get thick as well. So we're gonna stir this up, and I'm gonna use my aluminum sheet to cover this because this is a really big pan and I don't have a top for it. So we're gonna mix that up really, really good so everything can be, you know, touched with that seasoning mix. But yeah guys, when it's done, I will come back. I'm gonna cover it up for about 10 to 15 minutes. And this is what our jasmine rice is looking like. It is almost done as well. Alright guys, so this is the chicken and broccoli. So guys, if you like this recipe, you can definitely try this at home. And if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, comment, share, and all of that good stuff. Shalom guys, bless you, y'all loves you. Come out of her. Let me show you the jasmine rice real fast. Alright, so that's the rice. Shalom family.